Hey everybody, haven't been able to give any updates and haven't been able to do anything to the garden. I know it looks horrible. I just bent everything over and put it back up here and got everything off the ground, so my tomato plants are, well, you can see they're about 3 foot tall or so. Yeah, you can't even see the hammock through there. Well, you know how big the sticks were. They were about 3 foot tall, so that's pretty healthy tomato plants. They got pretty good sized stalks on them. I mean, all the way to the top, so you know that's doing real good. I was very surprised to see all my flowers coming in nice and pretty, and this one, I love this one. It's orange. It's orange. The rest of them are purple and pink, but this one's orange. I just love it. I got the watermelon was just completely covered all over here, and I've just basically, I'm overdrawn with watermelon. It's all up, even thrown up over there. You can't really see it. It's close to that flower up there. And I've got this little pink guy right here. He was attached to a watermelon too, so I got all the watermelons pulled over there, but there are flowers on the watermelons now, so watermelons are starting to grow. See the flowers? I don't have any tomatoes, and I'm just now pulling all my suckers off the bottom. I really haven't I've done some of this, but I just really haven't been able to get to it. I'm just now getting everybody called and updated. I finally got the video up. My cucumbers are doing freaking amazing. If you'll look, there's about 30 cucumber flowers right here. Everywhere there's a flower, there will be a cucumber coming off of it. And look, cucumber, cucumber, cucumber. See the flower on the end of that cucumber? Well, it fell. Oh, there we go. Perfect example right there. Flower and cucumber. Yay! But all of the cucumbers are they just went wild. They are everywhere. And my favorite thing to eat is tomatoes and cucumbers. I mean, that's already a pickle there. So I'm definitely just ecstatic. Oh, there's another cucumber coming out. Let's see, everywhere there's a flower, there will be a cucumber. Man, I've got my habaneros, they finally come up. You can see them in here. I got my red peppers and my bell peppers. They're up. The onions didn't really do too good, and I put a little bit of habanero in with the onions, so they'll be spicy no matter what. There's a habanero there. And I don't even remember what this is, radishes or something or another, but oh well, I just noticed that does have flowers on it. So I will have something producing coming out right there. If you'll look here at my beans, let me see if I can find something growing. Oh, there's a bunch of beans coming out right there. I see something growing. Ah, there's where a bunch of beans. See the flowers? Where there's flowers. Ah, there we go. Look at them beans. Yep, got a bunch of beans coming up. I had a bean plant over here, or one or two over here, but they didn't come up. Now I did plant a couple habaneros down here at the very end, and I don't really remember exactly what this is. Oh, there's a habanero. Yeah, they kind of spread out everywhere. So I've got one there and one here, and then my beans, and my beans are coming up. Oh, there's one right there in the middle of right beside that bean, and there's a whole bunch of beans coming up there. And but yeah, those cucumbers just took off. This really didn't come up too well like I hoped. This row didn't. This one, I'm satisfied with that. It's not too impressive yet, but it will get better. If you'll notice, there still isn't any grass in here. Oh, I lied. Looky there. I got a grass. Yep. But the tomato plants, I did go ahead and pull the suckers off the ends down here. You want to do that, and you pull the suckers off the bottom to make the plants grow taller, and then once the plants get tall enough, well, you just clip the top of the plant off, and it'll stop growing tall and start growing wide. And that works with just about any plant. It's you know, super cropping and lollipopping. You can look those two words up when you're gardening, and that'll give you a good idea of everything. And like I said, if you'll notice, there's no bug bites or anything on any of these plants. They're all perfectly healthy. I don't have any grub worms, and that's because of the flowers. The bees keep away the pests. It's completely organic, no pesticides, no nothing. And you see the ground? Do you see any grass anywhere? No grass. Whoa, oh, there's a couple strays here and there, and it's very easy to take care of that. And I can't wait until this one right here blooms. I'm not 100% sure, but I believe it's a marigold. I think that's one of my marigolds that's coming up. I'm not, like I said, I'm not 100% sure. I don't keep up with the flowers that much, but like I said, I mean, 1 month of preparation and this is what you get. You get a garden that you don't have to just keep pulling grass out of every single day, and it just keeps coming back. And you know, my water supply here is still really good. It's, well, as you can see, it's completely full. It is sprinkling right now, but to prove to you guys that that is spring fed. Oh, there's some more parts out there. This is still empty. And see, there's a little bit down in there, but from the top down into there is about 10 foot to the top of the water right there. Now I'm not going to go down in there because it, like I said, it's raining, and well, I'll just sink down once I get to right there. Now I can walk down to this point right here, but I'm not going any further because I'm yeah, I'm a weirdo. I wear socks with sandals. Yep. See, this is good and sturdy, but I guarantee you, yeah, for the most part. But right now I'm about 6 inches higher than the water, and well, let's do a comparison. I am 5'9". Oh, and well, that right there. Let's see, eye level with me. That's still 3.5 to 4 foot taller. So right at 10 foot down in the hole here, but it's got a leak in the spring somewhere. It's running out somewhere else, and it washed down. All this washed back in, and I never put Visclean in it or anything, covered none of it up, so it just didn't turn out very good. There's mode firing range, can't use that anymore. Let's see here. Maybe I'll cut that down, let it fall over the pond. If I can get a bunch of shade in there, maybe it'll hold and not leak out faster than it'll fill up. But regardless, it's not doing too well over there. And my grass up here on the hill didn't take. It didn't kick in very good. Oh, look at all that trash. No, that's car tires and rims. And my mom's trailer. Oh. Okay. So, there you have it. And the house has got grass growed up all the way around it. You can't even see my chair over there anymore. My wood's covered up. And, yeah, can't see my water hose. But let me show you what it looks like when you don't, or you are not able to prepare your ground correctly. Like I said in my previous videos, grass. You can't even see the lattice fence that's in there now because this grass is, well, almost chest high to me. Well, that's not grass. Anyways, oh, see, there's the lattice fence. Ow, ow, ow. What is that? Oh, one of her flowers right there. Like a rose bush or something. Yep. I want to show y'all my elephant ears. They came up real nice and pretty. I love these things. You know, they're not, there's not much to them, but they're so big and pretty, and I love them. That was supposed to be the rest of the garden right there, but you know, things happen. So also, if you notice see how those elephant ears look? Well, look what came up over here. See this? It looks just like an elephant ear, and I believe it is an elephant ear. No, actually it's not. Unless it's some type of wild elephant ear, because it doesn't have the texture. It's real gritty. It's not nice and smooth like the other one is. But yeah, that's a little update on my garden.